How to make a stuffed apple horse treat. This is a yummy treat for horses, and is easy to make. This can be a people treat if you don't put the horse's feed in. This recipe makes 1 stuffed apple. Ingredients: 1 washed apple, 2 or 3 crushed up peppermints, you may use more, if you want. 1 3-cup peanut butter or molasses. 1 4-cup full of the horse's feed, you can use more if you want. 1 4-cup of grind-up carrots, you can use more if you want. Steps: 1. Cut the top off of the apple. Chop up the top, and put it in a medium bowl. Only cut off enough of the apple so that you can scoop out the inside of the apple with a spoon. 2. Scoop out the inside of the apple. With a spoon, in open top of the apple, scoop out all the apple's core and fruit, leaving the outer skin of the apple, being careful to leave the bottom. Try not to make the outer skin too thin. 3. Chop up the apple leftovers you just scooped out. Put it in the same medium bowl as the top. 4. Combine the rest of the ingredients, peppermints, peanut butter or molasses, horse feed, and grind up carrots, into the medium bowl with the apple leftovers. 5. Stir until everything in the bowl is well combined. 6. Scoop the mix into the empty apple. If you want, you can top the apple with crushed peppermints. 7. Finished.